Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Python tutorial series. In previous videos, we looked at different ways of storing and accessing data. In particular, we learnt about ranges, tuples, lists, dictionaries, and arrays. If you wish to take a look at any of these episodes, I'll leave a link to these below in the video description. Also, if you have any questions about these topics, make sure to leave a comment below and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. In today's tutorial, we will discover a new way of storing data, sets. These are represented by a set of curly brackets. However, make sure you don't mistake these for dictionaries, since dictionaries have curly brackets but also contain colons. Now, the one key property of sets is that items are never repeated, so they are extremely useful for storing series of unique items. When creating sets, we need to use the set command, since using curly brackets will generate a dictionary. The set command can also be used to convert another type of data sequence to a set. Let's look at an example with lists. In this example, we have a list containing the values 1 through to 6. If we write print set of x and run our code, you see that this will generate a set containing the same elements we had in our list. However, let's now take our list and give it some duplicate values, say by adding 4, 4, 3, 5, and 6. Now, if we run the same command as before, we can see that our set automatically discards any duplicate values and only retains a single copy of each value. As I'm sure you can see, sets are very similar in their behavior to lists, and as such, they also share many of the same characteristics. So, in the same way we created list comprehensions using lists, we can also have set comprehensions using sets. For example, we can say A equals X for X in hello, and we can say print A. And as you can see, the result of this operation gives us a unique set of the letters contained in the word hello, in this case E, H, O, and L. With that, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have any queries about what we discussed today, or any suggestions for future videos, make sure to write them in the comments below. If you wish to revise any of the topics we covered in previous episodes, I'll leave a link to my Python tutorial series in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. Also, make sure to check out my coding challenges and see if you can master them all. As always, I look forward to seeing you next week for a new and exciting tutorial. And until then, happy coding!